Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to follow someone on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open this Strava application if you have it already into your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the application. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, make sure to just log in into it directly. But if you don't have an account, you'll need just to go and create a new account. They'll provide you with three options to do so. Make sure to choose one of them. They'll give you the option of creating an account with Facebook, with Google, and even with your email option. So just choose whatever suits you. And once you actually created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And normally here you'll find like the posts of you and posts of your friends, and of course you can add some posts, photos, manual activities, or which is called here segments, and you can actually edit some of your posts or even delete them if you want. But what we would like to do here is just to follow someone on the Strava application. So of course you can actually follow your followers if you want. You can just go to you at the bottom right corner and click as followers. If someone following you, you can just go click on their name, then click as follow. But of course, if you have no one following you, you can just go here and click at this, and you can find some friends here if you have some suggested friends, or you can invite some friends from Facebook if you want to connect your Strava with Facebook, or you can connect your contacts with Strava and invite them, then follow them, or you can just share your QR code and people will able to follow you, then you can follow them back. So that will be actually it. You can actually even follow people from a group if you want. You can just check for people right here. So let's use an example, groups, and you can go to clubs as an example. I'm in this club already. You can just go here, go to this person, and go to here option, and you can just follow him. And as you can see, you'll be following him. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.